A bully hit the waitress at the diner. Seconds later, a single-dad veteran made him regret it. It started like any other slow evening at Charlie's Diner, rain tapping softly on the glass, the smell of fresh coffee and grilled bacon drifting through the air. But no one knew that what would happen next would leave the whole town talking, and would remind everyone what true courage looks like. If you believe in standing up for what's right, you'll want to stick around till the end of this story. And hey, if it moves your heart even a little, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because stories like this, they deserve to be heard. The bell above the door jingled as a man walked in, broad, loud, and already angry. His name was Rick Dalton, known around town for picking fights he could win. He always found someone smaller to blame his problems on. That night, his target was a young waitress named Lena. Lena was barely 22, juggling 2 jobs to pay her mother's medical bills. Her smile never wavered, even when the world around her seemed cruel. She approached Rick's booth with her notepad, saying gently, "Good evening, sir. What can I get you tonight?" But Rick slammed his menu shut. "You can start by learning how to do your job right," he growled. Everyone in the diner froze. Behind the counter, a man in a worn leather jacket looked up from his coffee, a quiet single dad named Jack Turner. To anyone else, he was just another face, another tired man trying to make it through the day. But Jack was a former Marine, a veteran who'd seen war, loss, and life at its hardest. He sat in silence, his 8-year-old daughter Emma drawing beside him. He'd promised her pancakes after a long week of school, and nothing, not even his memories, was going to ruin that. But then, Rick did the unthinkable. Lena accidentally spilled a drop of coffee on the table while setting down his cup. Rick stood up, red with rage. "You stupid girl," he shouted, and before anyone could move, he hit her. The sound cracked through the diner like a gunshot. Lena stumbled, a hand to her cheek, eyes filling with tears. The room fell dead silent. Jack's daughter looked up, her eyes wide. "Daddy," she whispered. He heard her. Jack stood up slowly, the kind of calm that comes before a storm. His voice was low, steady. "Sir," he said, walking toward Rick. "You need to sit down." Rick sneered, sizing him up. "And who the hell are you supposed to be? Her boyfriend?" Jack didn't answer. He just looked at Lena, who was trembling. "You okay?" he asked softly. She nodded, barely. "Hey, I'm talking to you." Rick barked, shoving Jack's shoulder. The next moment happened so fast no one could believe it. In one motion, Jack caught Rick's arm, twisted it behind his back, and guided him face first into the counter, not hard, just enough to make a point. Jack leaned close, his voice quiet enough that only Rick could hear. "I've seen men like you before. Loud, angry, and scared. You think hitting someone smaller makes you strong. But you're not strong, you're broken." Rick struggled, but Jack held him firm. "Now you're gonna apologize," he said. "To her. Right now." Rick's breathing was heavy, his pride shattered in front of the stunned crowd. I'm sorry," he mumbled through clenched teeth. Jack released him, stepping back. "Now leave," he said simply. Rick turned and stormed out, the bell jingling behind him. For a long moment, the diner was silent. Then, one by one, the customers began to clap. Lena wiped her tears, her voice trembling. "Thank you," she whispered. Jack just smiled. No one should ever be afraid at their job. He sat back down with Emma, who looked up at him like he was the hero of every story she'd ever heard. "Daddy," she said softly, "are you like a superhero?" Jack chuckled. "No, sweetheart. Just someone who believes in doing the right thing." But deep down, something in him changed that night. He'd spent years trying to forget the man he was, the Marine who fought battles no one could see. Yet in that simple act of courage, he found purpose again. Later that night, Lena came by with a warm smile and a slice of pie on the house. "You didn't have to step in like that," she said. Jack shook his head. "Yeah, I did. The world doesn't get better by looking away." The rain had stopped when they walked out of the diner. The neon sign glowed softly in the wet pavement. Jack looked down at Emma holding his hand and realized something. Maybe being a hero wasn't about medals or uniforms. Maybe it was just about being human when it mattered most. Weeks later, word spread around town. The man who used to bully everyone quietly left, and Lena. She went on to manage the diner herself. She even put up a little sign by the register that said, "In this diner, kindness is stronger than fear." And as for Jack, every Friday night, he and Emma still sat at their booth by the window. Same pancakes, same coffee, and the same quiet pride of a man who didn't need recognition, because true strength, the kind that saves others, doesn't shout. It simply